Imagine holding a camera that feels like an extension of your own vision. A camera that isn't just a tool. It's a gateway to capturing moments in ways you never thought possible. That camera is the Nikon ZR. And today we're going to dive deep into everything that makes it a game changer, not just for photography enthusiasts, but for anyone who dreams of capturing the world in its purest form. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the Nikon ZR looks sleek, almost futuristic, yet carries that timeless Nikon craftsmanship that photographers have trusted for decades. The ergonomics are perfect. Every button, every dial is intuitively placed. You feel like the camera was built around your hand, not the other way around. Holding it, you immediately sense its balance, its weight, its presence. It's not just a camera, it's a companion, ready to follow you on every adventure, big or small. But design is just the beginning. The heart of a Nikon ZR is its sensor, a marvel of engineering that transforms light into breathtaking detail. Low-light scenes become cinematic wonders. Shadows hold secrets, and highlights sparkle with clarity that almost feels unreal. Imagine photographing a city at night, every neon sign and glinting puddle perfectly captured, every detail sharp and alive. That's the Nikon ZR for you. Every shot tells a story, every frame demands attention. And speaking of stories, let's talk about versatility. The ZR adapts effortlessly, whether you're shooting ultra-wide landscapes or intimate close-ups. Its lens compatibility opens doors to endless creativity. From sweeping vistas to the smallest details, a butterfly resting on a flower, the glint of sunlight on water. This camera sees what others miss, and it renders it all with such clarity that you feel like you're experiencing it again for the first time. But what about speed? In today's world, moments don't wait. The Nikon ZR's autofocus system is not just fast, it's almost psychic. It anticipates movement, locks onto subjects, and captures decisive moments you didn't even realize were fleeting. Children running through a park, pets leaping into the air, cars racing past at sunset. Nothing escapes its gaze. Every click is perfection, every shot a testament to precision. And then there's the video capability. The ZR doesn't just take pictures, it tells stories. With 4K clarity, incredible stabilization, and cinematic frame rates, it's perfect for creators who demand more than ordinary footage. You can film a bustling street, a quiet morning sunrise, or an adrenaline-pumping adventure, and every second feels alive. The smoothness, the depth, the color. Once you see it, ordinary video seems flat in comparison. But let's not forget the little things, because the magic is often in the details. The intuitive menus, the customizable buttons, the tactile dials, they're all designed to let you focus on what matters most. Your creativity. Battery life that keeps up with your longest shoots. Compact design that fits in your bag without compromise. Connectivity that ensures your images and videos move seamlessly from camera to screen, ready to share, ready to inspire. Now imagine combining all these features, the design, the sensor, the autofocus, the lenses, the video capabilities, into one seamless experience. That's what the Nikon ZR delivers. It's not just a camera, it's a portal to your imagination. Every photo, every video, every moment you capture with it becomes more than a memory. It becomes a work of art. And for those who wonder if such sophistication comes at the cost of simplicity, the answer is no. Nikon has made the ZR accessible. Beginners can pick it up and instantly create stunning images. Professionals can push it to its limits, exploring every nuance of light, texture, and motion. It's a rare combination of power and approachability, elegance and practicality. Now, picture this. You're traveling through a place you've never been. Maybe it's a quiet forest at dawn, or a city street humming with life. Your Nikon ZR is with you, silently capturing moments you'll never forget. Every shutter click is precise, every frame alive, every memory preserved in breathtaking detail. And when you look back at your photos and videos, you realize something amazing. You're not just looking at images. You're reliving moments, feeling the emotions all over again. That's the power of the Nikon ZR. Some might say it's just a camera, but anyone who's held one knows. It's more than that. It's a bridge between your vision and reality. It's a tool that challenges you to see differently, to notice the details, to find beauty in the everyday. It's a reminder that the world is full of stories waiting to be told, and with the right tools, you can tell them better than ever before. So whether you're a traveler, an artist, a content creator, or simply someone who loves to capture life's fleeting moments, the Nikon ZR isn't just an option. It's a revelation. And the more you explore it, the more you realize how much potential is packed into its sleek, intuitive frame. By now, you've already imagined holding it, feeling it, shooting with it, living through it. And the truth is, words alone can't capture what the Nikon ZR can. You have to experience it, create with it, and let it transform the way you see the world. Every click, every frame, every moment becomes part of a story only you can tell. And that's the beauty of this camera. It's not about the specs, the megapixels, or the frame rates, though all of those are extraordinary. It's about what you do with it, and how it transforms your vision into something real, something tangible, something unforgettable. With the Nikon ZR in your hands, the possibilities aren't just endless, they're breathtaking. So, next time you pick up a camera, remember, it's not just about capturing an image. It's about capturing life. And with the Nikon ZR, life becomes a masterpiece. Every moment, every detail, every story, you'll see them in ways you never thought possible, and you'll never look back. But let's dive deeper. What really sets the Nikon ZR apart isn't just its technology. It's how it makes you feel when you're behind the lens. Imagine walking through a bustling city street at golden hour. The sun dips low, casting long shadows and warm light on every building. People move around you, a blur of motion, yet your camera captures each detail with pinpoint accuracy. Every texture, every expression, every fleeting glance is immortalized. That's not just photography, that's storytelling. And the Nikon ZR turns everyday moments into something extraordinary. Now, think about those moments when life moves fast, sports, wildlife, even your kids' first steps. Many cameras struggle here, but the ZR? It locks onto action with uncanny precision. Birds in flight, a skateboarder flipping through the air, a dog chasing a frisbee, all captured flawlessly every time. There's an almost magical sense of control, as if the camera anticipates what you want before you even press the shutter. And that anticipation, that connection between you and the tool, is what makes every shot satisfying, every frame a triumph. And the color, oh, the color. Nikon has always been known for its rich, natural tones, but the ZR takes it further. Skin tones are flawless, landscapes feel immersive, and night scenes glow with cinematic depth. It's like seeing the world not just as it is, but as it should feel. Colors aren't exaggerated, they're alive. They breathe, they evoke emotion, and they draw your audience in, making them feel part of the moment. And when you're showing your photos or videos to friends, family, or followers, that's the difference between nice and unforgettable. Let's talk about lenses for a moment, because the ZR really shines here. Nikon's ecosystem gives you flexibility. Wide-angle lenses for sweeping landscapes, macro lenses for the tiniest details, telephoto for moments far away, yet so close in clarity. You can switch perspectives in seconds, exploring the world in ways that feel limitless. And each lens interacts with the camera's sensor perfectly, giving you sharpness, depth, and vibrancy that's hard to believe until you see it with your own eyes. Video creators, listen closely. This is where the ZR becomes transformative. Imagine filming a sunrise over the mountains. The first light kisses the peaks, shadows stretch, and clouds drift across the sky. With the ZR, every nuance of light, every subtle shift is captured in stunning 4K. The stabilization is so smooth that handheld footage feels cinematic. Your videos no longer look like casual clips. They become films full of mood, emotion, and life. And the autofocus tracks subjects naturally, letting you focus on creativity, not on technical struggles. But here's something people often overlook. The ZR doesn't just capture what's in front of you. It inspires you to see differently. Ordinary scenes suddenly become extraordinary. A simple street corner becomes a study in geometry and light. A quiet park transforms into a canvas of colors and textures. You start noticing patterns, contrasts, and details you would have missed before. And that's the true power of this camera. It changes not only what you capture, but how you see the world. Now, imagine taking a Nikon ZR on an adventure. Hiking through rugged trails, wandering foreign cities, exploring hidden alleys and secret beaches. It's compact enough to travel light, but powerful enough to handle any situation. Rain, dust, low light, it doesn't matter. The ZR adapts. Every click, every frame, every moment is preserved without compromise. And when you look back at your journey, it's more than a memory. It's an experience relived in vivid detail. And for creators focused on storytelling, the ZR's features are a dream. Slow motion, time-lapse, cinematic frame rates. It gives you tools to craft a narrative, not just record reality. You can evoke suspense, highlight emotion, or simply show the beauty of a moment with a depth that ordinary cameras struggle to achieve. Every scene becomes immersive, every story compelling, every viewer captivated. But it's not just about performance, it's about connection. Picking up the ZR feels like stepping into a dialogue between technology and creativity. Every dial, every button, every setting invites experimentation. You're encouraged to try new angles, test different lighting, explore composition in ways that elevate your work. And the satisfaction of mastering this tool, it's unmatched. Every improvement in your skill, every breakthrough in your creative vision feels amplified by what the camera can do. And here's the thing, time moves fast. Moments come and go, some never to return. The Nikon ZR gives you the confidence to capture them, not just as images or videos, but as living, breathing memories. Birthdays, holidays, spontaneous adventures, quiet mornings. Every click is an investment in your future nostalgia. You're not just documenting. You're preserving the essence of life itself. So why settle for ordinary when the extraordinary is within reach? The Nikon ZR invites you to elevate your craft, to explore without limits, to see without restrictions, and to create without compromise. It's a camera that challenges you, rewards you, and ultimately transforms the way you experience the world. By now, you've imagined holding it, shooting with it, and experiencing the magic yourself. But let's take it further. Think about the possibilities if every photographer, every storyteller, every adventurer had access to such a tool. The Nikon ZR doesn't just empower individuals. It inspires creativity on a global scale. It pushes boundaries, breaks conventions, and sets new standards. And in your hands, it gives you the power to contribute your own vision to that world. And that's the beauty of this camera. It's more than metal and glass. It's more than specifications and features. It's a bridge to imagination, a vessel for expression, and a companion for life's most unforgettable moments. Every frame captured with a Nikon ZR tells a story, evokes emotion, and leaves a lasting impression. And the more you explore it, the more you realize it's not just a camera. It's a revolution in the way we capture life. So, whether you're chasing sunsets, photographing wildlife, filming cinematic stories, or just capturing the quiet moments that matter most, the Nikon ZR stands ready to elevate every experience. And once you've experienced it, once you've seen what it can do, you'll understand life is fleeting, but the memories you capture with the ZR can last forever. And that's the promise of this remarkable camera.